This video is sponsored by Best No Copyright Music. I'm often asked where I get the music from for my videos. The answer used to be a whole bunch of places, but now I get it all from one place. It's Best No Copyright Music, whether you just want to listen to some good tunes or you want music for your own content. Best collection of Best No Copyright and royalty-free music on the web, on YouTube. Best No Copyright Music. Link to their channel in the description. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I've got sort of an unboxing and hands-on of a couple of new accessories from PITAKA. Now, I've been seeing and hearing a lot about these for a little while now, and they've always kind of piqued my interest. A really nice aramid fiber case, and the way they do car mounts here where it's magnetic. Of course, Samsung Galaxy phones do not have MagSafe, but this case brings the whole world of MagSafe to the Galaxy line, as this case has magnets built into it. So without further ado, let's take a look at these. This PITAKA MagEZ Case 2. I'll leave links in the description for all of these. Let's see if we like them. From everything I've seen and heard, we will. And very nice presentation here. Good quality box, by the way. What is PITAKA? PITAKA uses distinct materials and designs to create exceptional everyday carry accessories and wireless charging devices. Really nice. It says Alternative Tech Life here on the front, and PITAKA branding. And here is, if I get this out, here is the case. All right. You see the circle here, the design for MagSafe. And you see a product catalog. It smells real nice too. You can even smell the premium materials, really. Thank you, we are grateful for your order. That's nice. So even the packaging is high quality here. And here's the case, really thin, lightweight case. Don't think it'll be the type of case you want if your priority is protection. When I do put a case on my phones, I prefer them to look nice. I mean, I want to enjoy the phone and the way the phone looks, so I kind of prefer cases like this or leather cases. So I think this is a case that I would actually like. Really, really nice here, this aramid fiber material. Let me put this off to the side here and open up the car mount. Forgot to bring my unboxing knife, so I'm using a SIM ejection tool for this, and that worked, thankfully. All right, it's also, I guess this is their motto. It also says Alternative Tech Life on it. MagEZ Car Mount Pro. And this will also allow you to charge the phone. It's got USB-C on the bottom. So this is great. So whether you've got a Galaxy or an iPhone, you can mount the car magnetically and you can charge your phone. All right, does this slide out? Yeah, all right, we got it off there. It says PITAKA on the top here, kind of a debossed, glossy sort of print. And let's see where this opens from. I guess from here. And we got, this fell out. Thank you. I'm guessing some booklets. Yep. And here is the car mount, the PITAKA car mount. And as you can see, it matches the case pretty well here. It's got that same aramid fiber. Really, really nice. And it's got some fans on it as well to keep the phone cool while charging. Here's the USB-C port. It's a nice piece of machinery, quite frankly, for what it is anyway. And you've got product catalog. And this should be our cables, or our cable and the other part of the mount itself, perhaps. Yes, indeed. We've got this part that clamps onto the air vent in the car. We've got the USB-C cable. If you don't already have one, you might want a longer one. And these things here, which are cable holders, which is nice. If you need to keep things nice and tidy there, you can use these cable holders. So that's cool. So let me put the phone in the case here. Ooh, wrong phone. Let's see. We're gonna test out both an iPhone and a Galaxy here. So it should just slide right on. And it did. no problems. So it fits very nicely here. You see how it looks from the front. And from the front, you can still see, of course, a little part of the metal chassis. This side of the phone, of course, there are no buttons, so all you see is the aramid fiber. And here's the back. It's a nice case. It's a nice, sleek case. Almost gives you the, I don't know, almost feel like driving in a sports car and wearing a leather jacket when I see this. And you see the side here, you've got your buttons, a cutout for the buttons, volume rocker, power. Some people don't like that. Some people just want it covered all the way around. I like this. I prefer when cases have these cutouts because I want part of the design of the phone to show. And I want that polished aluminum chassis, that armor aluminum, to show. I like that contrast of that silver metal camera housing there. See the cutout for the flash? Get that in focus there. And yeah, on the top, this is how it looks. It is raised a bit, a little bit of a bump there. So if the phone falls this way, falls, you know, face or top down, should have some protection. And on the bottom, you see the cutouts for your SIM tray, USB-C port, microphone, and speaker. So this is real nice here. Let's see if we got MagSafe now on our Galaxy. Oh yeah, that's a good firm strong hold too. That's really good. I think this is going to be fine if you hit any bumps or potholes. I mean, I can't give you guarantees, but I think it seems like it's a really strong hold. That's pretty awesome. So being able to glance at your always on display there when you're in the car and stopped at a light and want to see the time or what notifications you have. And if you need to grab your phone for any reason, now it's magnetic, no needing to fiddle with other types of car mounts. And of course, this case doesn't just work with, wow, it took a little bit of effort to take that off. This case doesn't just work with this mount. So if you got this case on, your Galaxy works with all MagSafe products as far as I know. You know, there are plenty of videos out there that show that regular MagSafe charger, any MagSafe products. Now you've got MagSafe on your Galaxy device here. So let me put an iPhone 13 Pro Max on here and see how it holds. Here's the 13 Pro Max. There we go. That's how it looks, and it holds obviously very well. This is a heavy phone, as you probably know. And the mount holds it just fine here. Shaking it, and you see it's fine. Is gravity gonna get it off here? No, very good, very firm hold. Really loving this. So next step here, I'm gonna go to the car and let us set this up here using this clamp and just see how it looks. I'll be back. All right guys, so here we are in the car. I only have one hand in operation here because I'm holding the camera up with the other. So you just twist right here to extend this clamp, and then we're gonna put it in the air vent, and then we're going to twist to fasten it, to tighten it up. All right, so next we are going to attach this piece here. And if you want it to protrude a bit more, if you want this to stick out more, all you're gonna have to do is twist this either way to see how you like it. All right, there we are. We've got it set up. I've got my Galaxy S22 Plus with my PITAKA case on it with MagSafe. And let's test it out here. Perfect. You heard that firm snap right next to the steering wheel on the nearest vent. And I think that's where I like it and want to keep it. I could put it on that vent as well, but this makes it just so easy if you need to use your phone for any reason. And you just, you know, use that fingerprint sensor and you are good to go. So we'll try out the iPhone 13 Pro Max if you're using that instead with this case. And of course you could use if you've got a case on your iPhone, a MagSafe leather, or silicone, whatever, or naked as this iPhone is, and boom, just snaps right on. And it is firm, it's a good hold, and we're good to go, man. And you can fasten that part up that I showed you even more or less if you would like, but I really like this this accessory. I haven't really used many car mounts before. I just don't like the way they look and operate, but something magnetic like this, awesome. So it's a thumbs up for me. And I almost forgot to show you the phone's actually charging on the car mount. I used my own USB-C cable that I had in my car. It's actually a USB a micro USB with an adapter on it. But anyway, so here's how it looks. And there you see, wireless charging is working. And so let's do it now with the iPhone. There we go. And there it is, charging. Perfect. Love this thing. All right, guys, so those were the PITAKA MagEZ Case 2 for the Samsung Galaxy S22. Again, a fine case, looks really, really nice. Not the top for protection, but if you want something high quality and premium and that looks nice, then this is a case to get. And of course, best of all, you've got MagSafe on your S22 Plus now when you use this case. And of course, this was the MagEZ Car Mount Pro, which works with this, and of course works with the iPhone, which has MagSafe, of course, built in. So again, links in the description if you want any of these products. This is certainly instantly one of my favorite cases. Let me know if you'll be picking this up or if you are interested at all in having MagSafe on the Galaxy line. And as always, stay safe, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.